Hello, welcome to my channel, Latina Plants. Don't forget to follow me at Latina Plants on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Today, we're doing a shop with me at Lowe's. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and click on that bell to get notified every time I upload a video. So here they have some of the larger floor plants, 2 for $30. And I was so excited when I seen these urban jungle boxes of some new fresh stock that they got in. We will take a look at them. I just wanted to give the worker some time to work on organizing the plants. And on this rack here, you can see some of the fresh new plants. I couldn't slide these out. They were kind of jam-packed in there because they had some new stock, but I did give you guys an overview of what's in there. There are some anthuriums, some philodendrons, some ferns in there, and then they have these new longer planters with some ZZs. Here they had some hanging baskets from Costa Farm. I pulled this one down to give you guys a look. It's not looking too good here, but I believe this is the species Affinity Burtoniae. And here they have some more live trend plants, some alocasias mixed in there. They have some new stripy pots for the new year, you guys. I hope you had a wonderful new year. I decided to do this video to show you guys what they have at Lowe's for the New Year's. They have these really cute Haworthias. Love the cute little planters that they're in. They also had some hanging baskets. That Wayeti eye has been there for a while. I'm surprised it's still there and no one has snagged it. Here they have some more plants. They have the Alocasia Silver Dragon here. This one actually looks a lot smaller than what the Silver Dragon usually looks like to me. They also had the Silver Band Maranta and this philodendron here. Again, this is the Urban Jungle line. I believe these pots are going for $13.98. Really beautiful silver band here. I used to really want this plant, but because of all of everybody's experiences with it, where it grows smaller and smaller leaves, it really needs to be on a moss pole. I decided not to add that one to my collection, but I do love the beautiful leaves. Here they have some more money trees, some lucky bamboo and ZZs. And then here they have some Scindapsus moonlight, some of these anthuriums, some dracaenas, some aglionemas here. They also had the golden pothos, some ZZs and sansevierias, some ponytail palms, and here are some hanging baskets that I guess they just put here for the time being. This is a lipstick plant that's variegated, super variegated lipstick plant, looking good. For their floor plants, they had the usual, the birds of paradise and the peace lilies, as well as some monsteras. Here they have a whole table of the Christmas cactus. And here they have all of their beautiful orchids. Really pretty orchids. Wanted to show you some of the patterns on here. And the different color varieties that they have. A lot of these have buds that haven't bloomed yet. And some of these have also been dyed. Here they have some of the anthuriums, some philodendrons, sansevierias, aglaonemas. They have the cobra, the variegated cobra there. Some calatheas, parlor palms, and lucky bamboos there. And then here I noticed that Live Trends came out with these air plants. You get, I believe, two in the pack. I thought that was pretty cool for $4.98. And it tells you the name of the air plant on the back. And they have different kinds in them. I thought that was a great buy. More like two for the price of one, I feel like. Down below, they did restock. They have a lot of the urban jungles line down below. A lot of the alocasias, silver dragon, and the Maranta silver band, along with some money trees. They came back out with the Hoya Kamingiana. This one is looking a lot fuller than the previous ones that they came out with. Looking a lot healthier, and the leaves are a lot bigger. Here's a look at some more of the Live Trend air plants. I was really excited about this. I really do want to add some more air plants to my collection. Up top, they have the baskets. I feel like these are fresh new baskets. All of the plants are looking pretty good. And so I'm just panning around showing you all of the baskets. They have some Philodendron micans, Philodendron Brazil, the neon pothos, and the lemon lime philodendron in those baskets. Here they have some bromeliads and money trees, some ficus varieties and aglaonemas, and some more calatheas and ferns here. Here's another look at some of the baskets that they have. Golden pothos, the marble queen. Some of them look like snow queen. And again, some more Marantas and Scindapsus varieties, the Argyrius and the Exotica I saw as well in these hanging baskets. All of these shelves are jam-packed with new stock, you guys. If you're interested in adding any more plants to your collection, I would go now because they definitely have a new stock, fresh new stock. Here's a look at the plants that they have in the Wick and Grow. They really didn't have anything new in the Wick and Grow. But here they had some Scindapsus hanging plants, some ferns, some more Marantas. Again, nothing new in the Wick and Grow, but I thought I'd give you a little look at what they had. That's a begonia there. So they have some crotons and philodendrons and ferns, ivy, the usual that they have in the Wick and Grow. Up top, they had some more ferns and Maranta varieties, a really nice full basket of the silver band Maranta. They had quite a few of those, as well as some baskets of ferns. This is a really full basket of the Scindapsus exotica, looking super full and beautiful. Looks like she is trailing. She was just wrapped up on top. And those are going for $19.98. And this is the Urban Jungle line. They also had this Maranta for $19.98. Really full baskets. And I kind of don't mind the burgundy baskets. Here's some more of the begonias. Here is a quick little look through at what they had on clearance. They definitely had some plants worth saving. So if you're looking to rehab any plants, they have quite a few really good ones, especially the dwarf ZZ there. Some of these money trees are in really good condition. Some Marantas can really be rehabbed here, and the ferns. The Curtitii there could be rehabbed. That alocasia there could have been rehabbed as well. Yeah, they had some really good selections in the clearance. They don't look super happy, but a lot of the plants were in good condition and could be saved. If you have a hand at saving and reviving plants, I would definitely recommend checking out the clearance section, especially the air plants. And so here is a little peek at what was in the boxes. They have some new golden pothos, the Scindapsus argyrius, some more of the silver band maranta and the red vein maranta. Here are two of the plants that she pulled out of the box for me. Again, some money trees, calatheas, philodendrons, monsteras, some sansevierias, calatheas. So many beautiful varieties available, nice and fresh, you guys, and some aglaonemas as well. The Marantas, not the Marantas, the Calatheas had some really huge leaves, very impressive leaves, you guys. If you can care for a Calathea, I definitely would grab one of those. As well as that Aglaonema was beautiful and fresh. And so on my way out, I decided to check out the hanging baskets here that are by the checkout from Urban Jungles. There's a mix of Urban Jungles and Trending Tropicals. A lot of these were in awesome, great condition, you guys, in beautiful new pots. If you're, again, looking to add any plants to your collection, go ahead and give them a look. This location is in Delran, New Jersey. Thank you so much for shopping with me. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I'll check you guys out on my next video. Bye!